virus going around in this building?
Let them in and they bring their disease. You are.
The idea came to me in beginning of January, when it was just known as a Chinese virus or a Wuhan virus. I didn't know it's going to be that big. And, I made the film, I think we wrapped in mid-February. Valentine's Day was our last shooting day. So within a month of, conception of the idea, we made the film.
I don't think there's anything unethical about making a film about this pandemic right now. But I also think that we need time to process traumas like what we're going through. And I don't think a movie that is made on the fly like this gives people time to process. And I would be surprised if it had anything really substantial to say about what we're going through right now.
It's more about the xenophobia than it's about the virus. The film will help the audience to, look at each other in a different way when they go out. I hope that, will make us more united in a way.